Liberate IT is an Oracle NetSuite solution provider that has been servicing Australian and New Zealand companies since 2011. The easiest way to navigate NetSuite is by utilising its global search. If we click into it and type AUS, it returns a large number of results including opportunities, vendors and customers. To further refine the search, simply type in the first two letters of the type of record that you're after. Now that we've typed in CU, we can see customers that have AUS not just in their names, but anywhere else in their searchable fields. Alternatively, we can search directly by invoice number to go straight to a specific invoice. We can search for an item type, for example, camera, and then type in INV in front of it to return all of the camera types in the inventory. NetSuite is also a CRM. We know businesses don't just talk to businesses, people talk to people. Type in CO followed by the contact's name to instantly find the person you're talking with. This helps to instantly bring up all the contact's notes and records when engaging with them. We can see all the emails and phone calls we've had with this contact and also click directly into the company record of the business she works for. While we're here, let's click on this customer's dashboard. Here we can see the KPIs we've set for our customer, the activities, the transactions, and some visualized data in the form of a graph. Just like the main dashboard, all of this is completely customizable by you. We hope this video gave you the information you were after. If you have any further questions, get in touch with us using the links in the description. At Liberate IT, we can provide free consulting to understand your business system requirements, understand your company growth plans, and provide free NetSuite demonstrations. For more information, visit our website.